Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys um what you can do if you want to purchase items on the Gilded Acorn exhibition store in Heartopia, and you kind of want to see what the items look like on your character before you draw the items before you purchase it. So, for instance, let's go to the pack. Actually, let's go to the view section. I don't know why I said pack. For these items, you can just press this button here and it's going to go to your character, and you can kind of press on the items to see what they would look like on your characters. You can see here, this is what it looks like on my character. And then for instance, this one, you can press the item and press this button and you'll see it on my character as well. You can also change the colors. For instance, the hair color is changeable. You can press it and then you can change the color to see which one you like on your character. And then for the outfit, it's the same too. Press this button and you will kind of see it on your character. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.